Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We got another special, I do believe, Amazon Prime unboxing to do. I'll leave the links down below. You guys can check them out and see what other goodies they have to offer you guys. Now we are in the fall season. We got Labor Day coming up, and then good old Santa Claus will be here shortly. So you guys might want to add this to the wish list. And here we go. Alright. What do we got here, guys? One more cut. Alrighty. Got something in here. Arrtx. Oh, alright. We got these guys. And of course, like I said, I'll leave the links down below. I'm gonna need some more light. And here, bam. There we go. We got the blues. Deep blue, sky blue, every kind of blue. As long as you don't feel blue. It's not good to feel blue. These are pretty sweet looking. Do I have anything to test them out on? Most likely not. Yeah. Oh, that's still stuck in it. Oh man. Shoot. I use this. Back up this box. Alright. I figured out something. We can at least test a couple. Baby blue. Alright. I'll leave the links also down below from people that use these markers. You can check out their artwork. Oh, you can't really tell. Yeah, it's kind of hard. Stupid. Oh, man. Alright, but this is what you get, though. Get a nice, I think, 30 count. 24. Looks about 24 in there. So we got different kinds of blues. Marine blue, Napo, Napoleon, baby blue, frost, page. Alright, YouTubers, so there it is. Arrtx. And all you gotta do, click the link. You guys have a good day, be safe, and see you guys in the next one. See ya.